Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Lily Fashion Apparel. In this sewing tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to cut and sew this reversible bonnet. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. In making this reversible bonnet, the material that I used are Ankara material. Feel free to make use of any other material that you want. I use black material. You can also use any other material that you want. You will need your tape for measurement. This is elastic and also scissors. Now your Ankara, fold it into two folds. This is how wide it is. You fold the first one. Then you fold again the second time. You're not going to use this part of the material. You're going to use this other side of the material. Now you use your tape to mark out 11 inches, just as I'm doing in the video. You use your chalk to mark out 11 inches, just as the way I'm holding the tape. If you notice, I'm not moving the tape on my right hand. So you mark out 11 inches all the way around. You can use 15 inches depending on how big you want the bonnet to be. So you're going to draw a circle round the map out points. So you use your scissors to cut it out by placing your right hand on the material and cutting it off. Now after doing that, this is the result you get. Then you fold your black material into two folds. After folding it, you place your Ankara on top of it very neatly. You place it on top. After placing it, then use your scissors to cut out the exact shape of the Ankara material. So this is what you get after cutting it out. You're going to get a full circle, both the Ankara and the black material. Now you place your black material on top of the Ankara. The right side of the material and the right side of the Ankara will be facing each other. Then use your pin to hold it together. Measure 3 inches and draw a triangle. with 2 inches in between, then cut out with your scissors. After doing that, I went to my machine and sewed round the material. Then I turn up the material just as I'm doing in the video. Give it a good press with iron. So after I press it down, I sew the edges round with 1 inch gap. You can use 2 inches, you can also use 3 inches, depending on how you want it to be. I cut out the tie, which is 4 inches wide, with the length as long as you want it to be. Then I place the black material on the Ankara material and sew it 1/2 inches on both sides. After sewing round the edges, leaving one end for turn up, turn it up just as in the video. Then give it a good press with iron. I measured out 20 inches of elastic with my tape. Then I cut with my scissors. Then I put the elastic inside the edge of the material. You can use safety pin to put it at the tip of the elastic to make your work very easy. You need to take your time to do this. Use your office pin to secure the elastic as you're placing it inside the edge of the bonnet. Then after putting your elastic, you use your office pin to secure it. Now place your tie at both edges of the bonnet. Just as I'm doing in the video. You have to take your time to do it. Place it inside, in between the bonnet. And fold it inside at the same time. I went down to my machine to sew down the tie to the bonnet. So this is the result. You can wear this reversible bonnet either way with the tie. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to get more detailed sewing tutorial.